This year, Cubot fans are getting quite a treat, especially the lovers of compact smartphones. These phones always seem to be in high demand, yet there are only a handful of them around. Now we can add a significant one to the list as well, thanks to Cubot, because they have just officially announced that their new model King Kong Mini 2 Pro will be launched on August 12th. So let's take a quick first look at it. The biggest advantage of the new King Kong Mini 2 Pro is of course its super compact size. It uses a 4-inch QHD Plus screen, which is really rare these days. The compact appearance of this phone makes it really convenient for you to use for work or exercise outdoors, and of course makes carrying around way easier. The device also comes with a semi-rugged IP65 certification as well. This makes the device water-resistant for common liquids like rain, or stuff like coffee or tea spills. Its exterior appearance also ensures protection from dust, sand and random drops. In terms of the specs, it is powered by octa-core Montana 6762 processor, and has a default internal storage of 64 GB paired with 4 GB RAM. It's also backed by a 3000 mAh battery, due to the small size of the phone. But with a small screen and efficient chipset, the power demands are low. Other specifications of Cubot King Kong Mini 2 Pro include 13 megapixels rear camera, 5 megapixels selfie front shooter for the Android 11 OS. And now assess an early bird promo offer. Cubot is also running a nice giveaway campaign too. In it you have a chance to win Cubot King Kong Mini 2 Pro completely for free. 10 lucky users will get the phone for a free trial. So everybody interested should head over to the official website and join the giveaway. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching the video until the end. Have a nice day and see you soon.